Morning, guys. It's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. You guys had asked me, because when I gave you guys the recipe for the scrub, my scrub was already mixed up. Y'all asked me if I can break it down and show you guys how to mix this up. So guys, you guys will use a cup depending on what size. And like I said, when mines get low, I just add, I redo the recipe. This is 1 cup of white sugar. This is 1/4 a cup of lemon oil. This in here is 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. This is the horse oil, which is that, and then the honey. So guys, you just simply going to you're gonna mix it all together. Let me prop up the phone. We're just gonna simply it ain't gonna prop that way. We're just gonna simply mix all this together. Okay, so we're going to put the cup of sugar in there, guys. We're going to put the 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice and the turmeric and nutmeg, guys. We're going to take the 1 teaspoon of horse oil, put that in there. And the honey, I didn't want to put it in one of those because it's hard to get out. So the honey, I like to do my honey by the teaspoons, but this one I only had in Trader Joe's. It had in a squirt bottle. So depending on the thickness that you want with the honey, so you can go 2 to 3 spoons, 4 spoons, whatever you feel that you want your thick consistency to be. And then you just stir it up. And if it's too soupy, guys, if you guys do the recipe and y'all feel that it's too soupy, add more sugar. Like if you it's running, just add more sugar. Because remember, I already still had some left over in here. So like right now for me, and I always make a big one because I use this daily. It's a little too soupy for me. I don't want it to be, let me show you guys. I don't want my scrub to be like that, soupy. So we're just going to add more sugar. So like you guys make it to your thick. Lean back. You guys make it to your thick consistency. And I do have on my mask, guys, if I'm looking crazy. Yeah, I do have it on. I get up every day and faithfully use that. So I'm going to add more sugar because I want mine to have that thickness. So guys, just mix it up. And that would be your recipe. And put it in your bathroom medicine cabinet, guys. And another thing, I have like anxiety. A lot of anxiety, and lavender is good for anxiety, guys. And like a lot of people with anxiety, sometimes they use diffusers, those little necklaces. And when they feel a lot of anxiety, they take a little bit of lavender, put it in their necklace, and they sniff it. So guys, I'm going to take a teaspoon of lavender. And this is optional. This is just for anxiety for me. You guys don't have to do this. So that's my lavender. So it gives it that lavender. So when the scrub is on my face, I can smell that lavender, and it always calms me down. So, like they say, ask and you should receive. So this is how you will manually mix up your scrub. Oh, that lavender smells amazing. And guys, if you use this every single day, you will have amazing results. Some bumps and all that stuff, you will get it off. And then a horse oil, guys, that's a nighttime cream that I put on at night. But this is what I use every single day. Every single day on my face. And it keeps the pimples and all that out. So if I miss and start sleeping in makeup and stuff like that, then what happens is that, then my face break out. But now this is the thick consistency that I like, guys. This is going to go in the medicine cabinet. And every day, get up and put this scrub on my face, and you get amazing results. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. These are other screenshots as well, as you can look up other homemade recipe. Guys, you can pause this. This is that lavender. When I tell you guys things, I want to show proof that I'm not just saying stuff. Lavender will help with your anxiety. So when I tell you guys things, I always try to show proof of what I'm saying. And this last shot is just what it should look like when it's all mixed up. You guys have an amazing day. God bless.